Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to add a stylish cloud label widget in Blogger. Cloud label is an official widget provided by Blogger itself. This widget will help you to categorize your blog in a perfect manner. Also, it helps to manage your bounce rate in control, and this is how the preview of cloud label widget looks like. So let's move further and see how to add a stylish cloud label widget to your blog. As you can see, there is no cloud label widget in my blog. But before editing, I will recommend you all to make backup of your template so that if anything goes wrong, you still have your data with you. Okay. So the very first thing you'll need to do is log into your Blogger account. Then go to Layout. Then click on Add Gadget. Then click on Labels. Here you have to select Cloud. Show the number of posts per label, you have to enable this. And let me make it clear to you all, this code is only for cloud display. It is not for list. So you have to select cloud and then click on save. Now the second step is to go into theme. Click on customize, then edit HTML. Now here you have to find the word bskin. Here I got bskin. Now you have to copy the code which I have given you in the description. I'll just copy the code from here. And now you have to paste the code just above the bskin. And then click on save. Then click on view blog. Now you can see label widget has been added successfully. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you feel this video was helpful and you want us to keep posting such useful content related to blogging and YouTube, then please do not forget to leave a like, comment and do subscribe to our channel.